Hello, I'm Amy O'Donnell, the Director of Communications here at Texas Alliance for Life, and joining me today is our Executive Director, Dr. Joe Poyman.
This week, the U.S. Supreme Court heard oral arguments in the case FDA versus Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine, a case involving the regulation and distribution of chemical abortion pills. Among the issues are whether the FDA violated federal law by dropping specific safety regulations requiring in-person supervision of abortion drugs by physicians, and whether the distribution of chemical abortion drugs by mail or common carrier violates a longstanding federal law. A decision is expected by the end of the court's term in June.
We strongly believe the Supreme Court should prioritize the health and safety of women and girls in our country by returning protections to prevent the unsupervised distribution of abortion pills, which the Biden-Harris administration recklessly removed. Chemical abortion pills, when taken without the in-person physician visit, providing proper medical oversight, needlessly endanger the lives, health, and future fertility of pregnant women.
We released the latest Post-Roe Texas video series episode this week, featuring one of the doctors who provided a declaration to the court that was frequently referenced during oral arguments, Dr. Ingrid Skopp. She's the Vice President and Director of Medical Affairs at the Charlotte Lozier Institute. In the video, she explains the medical risks of chemical abortion drugs for pregnant women. You can view that and other videos in our series on our YouTube channel and at texasallianceforlife.org.
It's important to note that the outcome of the case does not affect the status of legal abortions in Texas. Texas abortion laws have completely protected unborn children from surgical and chemical abortion since the court overturned Roe v. Wade in Dobbs in June of 2022. After that, reported elective abortions plummeted from thousands per month to zero. Texas's laws have an exception in rare and tragic cases for medically necessary abortions. During the first 16 months after Dobbs, doctors have performed 71 abortions when the pregnancy risked the loss of a woman's life or major bodily function. And that's according to data from the Texas Health and Human Services Commission.
However, Texas doctors may be treating women with complications from chemical abortions they obtained in other states that were permitted under the FDA's lax regulations. We'll continue to monitor this case closely. Thank you for joining us, and happy Easter. We hope you will join us next week for our next Tall Update.